Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review how to adjust the counterweight and also the retract pressure on your Sonny's top brush. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, 8-foot ladder, 3/4 inch wrench, 3/4 inch socket, 15/16 wrench, 15/16 socket, a Sharpie, tape measure, and some anti-seize. Now, let's get started. All right, I want to show you what it looks like when we have a little bit too much air pressure on our retract for our top brush. Go ahead and bring it up, George. As you can see, it's crashing into the frame. That's not good for the welds or anything else. So anytime we're going to make an adjustment to our counterweight, we're probably also going to have to make an adjustment to our retract pressure. So we're going to show you that right now. Sonny's top brushes apply wash pressure with counterweight only. The only thing we're using the air cylinders for is to retract the brush and to bring it back into the washing position. Our counterweights weigh about 500 pounds. So if we need to get a little bit more aggressive with the brush or get a little bit more wash impingement, we're going to bring that counterweight forward towards the brush a little bit. And if we find our brush is too heavy, we're going to bring the brush or the weight back away from the brush and make it a little bit lighter. Remember, the counterweight is applying all the pressure. The air cylinders are only to retract the brush and to drop it into position. So right now, George is up there moving the counterweight back a little bit, making the brush a little bit lighter. Again, we only want to move in about 1/4 inch increments, wash a couple of cars, see how it's working, and then make a further adjustment if needed. If not, we'll just lock it in place and be ready to wash more cars.
Measuring so that we can take 1/4 inch out of both sides, passenger and driver side, and we're going to move it in a 1/4 inch increment. I'll be living in a 1/4 inch. Okay, we're getting close to 11 1/8. We also want to liberally apply anti-seize to the Acme screw. So now we're going to try it out. Let's tighten down our counterweight. Remember, it weighs 500 pounds and we want to make sure that we're safe. A little better?
Yep, very good. Bring it up now. And there you have it. It's a marriage between the counterweight and the air pressure. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.